In this tutorial, we will show you how to create smooth skin weights. First, let's load a model with smooth skin weights. This is a character with smooth skin weights, so it's a skeleton model. Let's load it because this model is already a skeleton model, so click Yes. Now click No Change. Do not do any change and click OK. Now let's check its skin weights. So let's change to Edit Faces mode. Because this model is a skeleton model, so you see the skeleton editor button here. You can click this one to show the skeleton editor. Then here let's check the skin weights. Let's just check the skin weights with this bone. Let's show it. You see this part has uniform skin weights with value of 1. That means this part is rigid. It's attached to this bone. Other parts have smooth skin weights. This means this part is smoothly animated by this bone. And then let's check the right arm bone. You see this part has uniform skin weights with values of 1. This means this part is rigid and attached to this bone. There are smooth skin weights from here to here. So this part is smoothly animated by this bone and this bone here. Now we will show you how to create such smooth skin weights and rigid weights when we covered a cloth. Let's hide and clear this model and let's reload it. This time we do not read it as a skeleton model, we read it as a static model, in order to show that we can create smooth skin weights using the cloth converter and Dress 3D tools. So click No. Click No Change. Now let's change to Edit Faces mode. You see the skeleton editor button does not exist because now this model is a static model, so you cannot edit its skeleton. Let's load the body shape we already matched to this cloth and convert it. First, let's change back to the Edit Mesh mode. And let's merge and stitch the cloth to an isolated mesh. Click OK. Click Yes. Here we use the parameter 10 instead of 30. Let's save it. Now let's convert the cloth. First, change to Edit Faces mode. Click this button to start the cloth conversion process. First, select Supporting Body Type. Select this one. Then let's set the body parts. Let's set the torso part. So first select this part and set it. Let's set it to the leg and foot right. Then let's set the right arm and hand part. Here we should be careful, because here we have fingers. Fingers are not part of arm and hand. So we can only select this part. So let's select arm and hand are. We should not select the fingers. Just select the right arm and hand. The hand does not include the fingers. Okay, set it. Similarly, let's set the left arm and hand part. Now let's check. Let's show body parts. They look okay. Let's export body parts. Let's hide body parts. Now let's calculate and modify shape control points. Let's show and check shape control points. They look okay. Let's hide the points and export the shape control points. Let's export the modified shape control points. Now let's calculate skin transfer points. Then let's change to wireframe display. Now let's add skin transfer points to make this product rigid and this part rigid. So first let's zoom in. Let's change to the face group mode. Then select the part. Let's make this part rigid and attach to the bone here. So let's click a point on the body surface, close to this point. So let's click this point. Then let's add skin transfer points. Now let's refresh selection. Then let's select this part. Okay, and let's make this part rigid. In the right sense, let's refresh. Then click here at this point and let's add skin transfer points. Now let's show and check skin transfer points. Now you see we have added skin transfer points to this part from a body point and also this part. Let's export the skin transfer points. Let's hide skin transfer points. Let's go to step 5, export. Now let's close the window and let's go to the Dress 3D tool to test. So first let's load the character, then let's load the cloth we just converted. And select the bone to attach. Let's change this one to wireframe and change to Edit Faces mode. And let's click this button to open the skeleton editor. Let's check the skin weights. Let's show skin weights of this bone. You see, this part is rigid. It is attached to the bone. And it also has smooth skin weights from here. Gradually reduce to 0. Then let's check the right arm bone. You see, this part has a rigid skin. Weights for this bone. Also the skin weights gradually change from 1 to 0. So this part is smoothly animated. By these two bones, right arm and spine too. This is what we want. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you.